you take out both of them?
No, just this one on the inside is left.
Did you lift?
And then this one we took off on the right.
Yeah, I didn't spray this one.
Put it on. Show the other side. Yeah.
My side, right? Or is it the...
I don't know. Yeah, it's that side, right? Because it goes in, and then the inside one, right? Or is it-
Yeah.
Wait, does the Nameless thing go on top though?
Well, okay, look. There's a hanger here. The hanger goes in like this, right? For this one,
Yeah.
and then yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like this.
Okay.
We'll
Let's do
double
it.
check. We'll double check. Let's see here. Because if you go this side, oh shit, this works too. This works too. You see?
Well, here, just put it up there.
Look.
Yeah, that goes towards the hanger. Yeah.
Like this.
Okay, yeah. So the nameplate goes on top.
Are you sure?
Yeah, pretty sure. Install time.
Okay, help me.
Alright.
Put this shit, man.
All right, what do you want me to do?
Push the thing in, 'cause I gotta hold it.
Push what thing in?
Hanger.
The top one?
It's not all the way inside.
It's too hard to get it.
I know. Fuck the video. Is it in? Easy?
I have it on. Yeah.
Alright. We gotta angle this shit too. Like, center it and shit.
Hold on. You got that one?
I don't know, I can't see.
Here, get the video. No, you're not on. Hold on. Hold it up. Wait up. Wait up. Now it's over.
Is it?
It's on.
It's in. You sure?
Yeah. Alright, it's now
Okay,
floating.
Just get.
Here, get in there.
This guy. There we go.
Alright, put it on.
Hey, look for my face though.
Here, I'll hand you the bolt.
Alright.
Push.
Push down? I like. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This guy's just not lining up.
Come on, Jack.
Yeah. Alright. Hey, you gotta speed this part up though.
Yeah. Any part where we're just like struggling,
Yeah.
so nobody can tell.
You have a flathead on you nearby?
I can reach one.
Ah, it's too far. It's too far. You have to put the shit on, man.
Just need to tighten it. And it's done.
Put the shit on.